Hello guys, if you're new, welcome to my channel, and this is just an update on the orchids that I purchased from Hauserman, that it was putting on bud spike, a very tiny bud spike, and I wasn't sure it will pull through because of the temperature dropping below 50s. But a few survived. There was this Dialaelia snowflakes from Hauserman. Let's see. See how the roots are already a lot on around it, so it needs repotting. But I waited for the buds to finish before I repot. So it's a Northland Dialaelia snowflake. So I got it, and it's putting out like a bud spike when I first got it, like tiny ones here, and there's supposed to be four, and I end up just left with two, which is I don't know, like that one's supposed to be, and that, and I don't know, it broke off or something. um Pest eat it, I don't know, because I put it outside, but when it got cold I bring them in. So this is the first one that flowered, so it's starting to fade away. And one of the viewers asked to put out a video or like a follow-up once they bloom. So yeah, I expect it to be very tiny and white, but actually it's like, yeah, it's a little bit, it's almost medium size, but it's like a maybe an inch. Yeah, and then the width is like 1.5. And look at that throat. Yeah. So yeah, there's the other newly opened. Let me see if I can smell it. So far I don't smell anything. Yeah, it's actually pretty. Tiny white flowers. And I think I just got it for $7 or something. Yeah, that pot there, and it started to flower. So I think this is gonna be a nice one, that it's not very picky. It will just vigorously grow for you the way it looks. And then I have the Iwanagara. I think this one is the Appleblossom golden. There you go. It hasn't opened yet, so it looks small to me. I'm not sure, but yeah, it's kind of stuck. The tag's kind of stuck. Let's see if I can get it. Oop. Yeah. Oops. I pull it out. See, golden elf, because I forgot the name. Iwanagara Appleblossom golden elf. So yeah. So that's an update on that hole that was putting out bud, and finally it's starting to form and open up. So and this is also a short clip of repotting of my Dialaelia snowflake Northland. So this is like halfway through. um, the roots are not bad. That's the old media. See, it looks like it's really already disintegrating the bark, and I can see there's also like a fine moss that they mix in there. Anyway, so I thought I'm gonna put it on a like a dendrobium mix, which is there's gonna be I want something airy for my media. So there's this Lika beads. Um, there's gonna be charcoal, a little bit charcoal, and then sponge rock to absorb the water, and more of the medium bark, and a little bit of a small fine bark because they put sphagnum moss in the old media there. And I put a little bit of actually there's uh, limestone in there. Yeah, these are limestone, the white one. Yeah. So the roots on the very center and the bottom is like brown, but it's still good. And then the one on the top and the side are still green, so that's good. Yeah, I need a lot to cut old roots there. So this is like a shortcut anyway. And the bottom, if you have a big hole, then just cut out a netting like this. I got it from home or Lowe's. This been with me for a long time. It's like a roll of a net. Um, and I used it before when I was doing a lot of cactus and succulents. I lined the pot with this because you know, they have fine media. So yeah, it's still here, and I'm also using it for my orchid. So yeah, I'm just gonna show you what media I use to pot this Dialaelia. So I just need some air in there, oxygenated air to get to the roots. Not very well compact, and yet it absorbs also water. So yeah, I thought I'll show you the repotting on this orchid. So I'm done repotting this one, and as you can see, I put a little bit of osmocote there too on the top. That way, every time you water it, it getting nutrients, or rain gets to it, get nutrients. And I think I'm gonna do the same with my Iwanagara golden elf. So thank you guys for watching. Bye now.